All right, look, if you use Close.com and you are not utilizing custom activities, you are simply losing money. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how we utilize custom activities. Now, there's a whole other video breaking down our entire account structure, but in this one specifically, I'm going to show you the top 3 custom activities that will make you more money if you are using Close.com. Now, if you've never used Close.com or Close CRM, go ahead and watch some of the other videos on the channel. It'll tell you exactly what Close.com and CRM is for. We also do HubSpot and Go High Level and many other types of sales processes and strategy. But for this video specifically, breaking down the top 3 custom activities inside of Close.com that will make you more money. So coming in number 1, contact made. Now, when are we actually using this? This is for any team that has like AEs or SDRs and you guys are doing outbound. This could be wholesale real estate companies. This could be SaaS. This could be medical. We've done it all. And contact made allows you to notify basically the system when you actually made contact with that outbound lead. Now, the reason we do this, I'm going to show you exactly the secret sauce behind this. So when you click add filter, the beauty is you can come to custom activities and you have your custom activities here. So if I want to call this list, for example, and I want to make sure out of these 186 leads that I don't call the same person too many times, then I'm going to click on right here, contact made, toggle contact made on, and say contact made is not present. So anyone with a contact made activity will be removed from this list, right? Now, I'm going to add a couple other filters, for example, and this is how you build a dialing list. So calls, total number of outgoing calls is, let's say, less than 10. So that's good. We'll click done there. We're going to add a filter. We're going to say communication, latest communication date is not today. So boom. And we'll just start there. And then let's say custom activity strategy session booked does not exist either. So we haven't actually booked a strategy session. Okay. So now I have testing YouTube, our dial party list, right? And if I save this, I can now dial this. And as soon as I make contact, it'll remove the lead from here. So to show you the example, I'll go to this lead right here. I'm going to go ahead and log the contact made. So a rep gets contact. They're just going to log this activity, right? Boom. Follow up. Done. That's all they have to do. Now, I get the correct information every single time. But on top of that, when I go back to my smart view, that person is gone, right? So that is why it is such a beautiful custom activity. And we usually use that for any type of outbound calling process that is outbound heavy. Now, there are other ways to disposition those if you just want to keep calling them until, for example, a call is booked or 10 times, and you don't need that. But this is really good for, like I said, wholesalers, any call heavy outbound motion where you may need multiple contacts with that person. So you can actually filter by contact made date and outcome. Okay. Number 2. Oh, I hit my mic there. Custom activity. Number 2 is proposal submitted. So any of you that submit proposals, you are losing money. I guarantee it. If you do not have a super clean post-proposal submission process. Where I see almost most money left on the table is we send a proposal and then we don't properly follow up with this person. We forget about the lead, or we don't follow up soon enough. Maybe we follow up too soon, right? What this allows us to do is as soon as that proposal is sent, we log this activity, or to send it, we log this activity. Now we can do 2 things. 1, we can actually send the proposal by filling this out. Number 2, we can create a smart view that basically says, hey, if proposal submitted exists and proposal completed activity does not exist, bubble all my leads up there. So that list is essentially is a follow-up list for people you submitted a proposal for, but it wasn't completed, right? So maybe there isn't a deal 1 activity, for example, but proposal submitted exists. So that means there is a pending proposal sitting out there, and that would be the name of the smart view. So how do we build that? We basically come in here, we're going to add filter, we're going to go custom activities, proposal submitted exists, right? And the custom activity of deal 1 does not exist. So we're basically saying anyone with a proposal that does not have a deal 1 activity, but put them here. And then you can add additional ones, right? So maybe you want to say proposal submitted and they have a proposal submitted date. And I don't like doing it like this. Actually, I just like adding this new custom activity, proposal submitted with a date of is not within the last, let's say, 24 hours, right? Or you can do is not is days ago, is before, is after, etc., etc. So not within the last 24 hours. We don't want people we just sent a proposal to in here to follow up with. Okay. So that one will ensure that you never have a proposal slip through the cracks. Again, 5% changes throughout the funnel will make you a ton more money. Now, custom activities, deal one. Deal one is the third. Now, you can see a list here. Here are all of our custom activities that we use every single time. Sometimes we add a couple or remove a couple. But we have new activity, new purchase, triage call booked, completed, not completed, strategy session booked, completed, not completed, follow-up, deal one, deal lost. Okay. Now, we can add these few in right here, these two, depending on the actual sales process. So if you're not using custom activities, go use custom activities. If you're not sure how to use them, go ahead and check out the custom activity video on our channel. That'll show you exactly how to use them and how to build out all of these 10. Here are the top 3 though: contact made, proposal submitted, and deal one. And they'll make you a ton of money. It'll make sure that leads are never slipping through the crack, which ultimately you're already paying for leads to come into the system. So why would you waste them at the end of the day? Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe if you found it helpful so that you can check out other videos on the channel. We do HubSpot content. We do Go High Level content. We do Close.com content. We do sales process and AI on here. So there's all kinds of stuff for all different types of people. And we hope to see you on the other side. If you want to talk with someone on my team about HubSpot or close accounts and you need help with the sales process, go ahead and schedule a time to speak with us as well and make sure we point you in the right direction, or we take care of you ourselves. So I hope this video is helpful. We'll see you on the other side.